Being a carbon neutral city is really important to Hull because the Humber area alone is one of the biggest users of carbon in the country. And as a city as a whole, we're very low-lying and we're very close to the sea, so the impacts of climate change are really important to the city as a whole. In terms of trying to reach our carbon neutrality by 2030, a huge element of this is making sure our housing stock is working towards net neutral. One of the huge things we're doing as the owner of over 23,000 council houses in Hull is to make sure we're improving the fabric of those homes. A really big part of our programme, though, working with Wilmot-Dixon, is around how we improve the efficiency of those non-traditionally built homes that don't have cavity walls available. We've spent over £50 million over the last 5 years investing in that non-traditional stock, putting external solid wall insulation on them, which improves the fabric of those homes and will allow further measures in the future that will get us to net zero. Within the council stock, we've delivered external solid wall insulation on over 2,000 homes in the city. We've also delivered over 1,000 external solid wall improvements to properties in the private sector, with a further 800 properties to still be delivered this year and next. With programmes of this scale over these time periods, challenges are going to be inevitable. One of the key things has really been around how we work with the customer to overcome these. During COVID, programme delivery got really challenging, and through working with Wilmot-Dixon, we were able to get back on site really quickly and give our customers confidence in how we're going to deliver the programme. Wilmot-Dixon also providing a customer liaison officer has allowed direct contact and feedback with our customers. Whether there's been programme delays, they've been able to talk them through it and talk them through the whole process as the cladding is put on. I think these elements are really important. Other challenges that we're starting to face around cost pressures or challenges around technically fitting the desired solution to the properties. Again, we're able to work in really close partnership and collaboration with Wilmot-Dixon to solve these. So by working with a contractor like Wilmot-Dixon, we've been able to deliver at scale and really quickly to achieve some of our carbon ambitions, and also addressing fuel poverty and making sure our properties are really well invested in. Wilmot-Dixon have worked hard with our customers, and we achieve really high levels of satisfaction on all of our schemes, which is something that isn't necessarily that easy given the scales of the programme, but it's something that I know and I'm sure our customers appreciate.